Take a ride in the 2020 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, security system, heated front seats, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, trip computer, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.